How to factory reset without computer in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26.01. So after the updating, go back to home screen. So refresh the phone and click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on all contacts and settings. Click on continue. Enter phone passcode. So after the procedure, click on cancel. So that's how factory reset without computer in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.